Let's see. Welcome to the shop. What's your name?
My name is Craig.
Hello, Craig. And your bike is a 75.
75 Norton 850 Commando Mark III.
How long you had it?
I've had it probably, well, I'll back up a little. This has been in my family. My dad bought this brand new.
Oh my gosh, really?
Yep.
Oh, that's a great story.
So I've had it, he gave it to me, well, 20 plus years. It really hasn't been ridden.
All right. So it's been sitting a while? Okay, you want me to get it running?
It runs great. I mean, it'll fire right up, and because I've done some work on it.
Uh-huh.
But I guess right now, what I really got is, chains and sprockets.
Oh, that's right. You want new front sprocket and a new chain.
Yep. And while you're in there, I guess. Oh, and also the damn clutch is sticking or hanging up.
All right.
So
Clutch work.
Maybe because it's been sitting so long, or if you come across something.
Just because, yeah.
Just because.
Now, normally the rear sprockets just don't wear that much.
Okay.
And this guy's got how many miles on him? 29. The rear sprocket at that point is pretty much optional. The front sprockets wear, the chains wear, but rear sprockets not so much. We'll take a look at it when we get it out, okay? And
I guess, if it gets done, because it'll be the last time I ever, do it. And I'd like to pass this on to my nephew someday,
Yeah.
so.
it'll hold him 20 years. These are no longer go cross country bikes for the most part.
No.
They're Sunday morning go to breakfast.
And it does runs good, but the damn idling, I've been dinking around with the carburetors and I still haven't got them right.
Yeah. Now, what kind of ignition does it have in it?
It's points.
Okay, we're going to put an electronic ignition in it. I
Kind of like to keep it.
I do not work on bikes with points.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So that's pretty much mandatory.
Could you show me what that old, or do you have I guess I'm not
Sure.
really sure what that
I'll
involves.
show you what it is. And
Apparently that's what you recommend as far as
electronics, I recommend an electronic ignition system and a solid state charger system. Those are two things that replace the really obsolete electronics on the bikes. Okay, and I'll show you both. Okay?
Right.
So at this point, you want the front sprocket and chain replaced. Have you bought a chain? Which chain did you buy?
It's the.
Is it a Reynolds?
Yep.
Good. Okay.
Yeah, it's all OE or English.
Okay.
Good stuff.
All right. So we'll go through what you've bought already.
As the price will attest.
All right. Well then, welcome to the shop, and let's go over and I'll show you the electronic ignitions. Okay.